Good morning, students. So, children, today we will study the last topic of our block number 3rd, that is the discovery of fire. Before explaining this paragraph, I would say some of the question that what food do you eat raw? It means that हम लोग कौन से जो मतलब फूड होते हैं कच्चे खाते हैं, raw means कच्चा. What food कैन यू नॉट ईट रॉ, और हम लोग कौन से ऐसे मतलब फूड है जो कच्चे नहीं खा सकते हैं. वॉट डू यू डू व्हेन यू कैन नॉट ईट रॉ फूड, और अगर हम लोग रॉ फूड को अगर कच्चा नहीं खाते तो हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं. सो लिसन हियर चिल्ड्रन, द आंसर इज इट मीन दैट वी कैन ईट fruits and some vegetables like carrot, radish as a raw food. It means that जो गाजर और मूली होता है उस सबको हम लोग कच्चे मतलब we can eat raw food. Okay, we can eat nuts and berries raw, और जो nuts होते हैं cashew, you can take of almonds, you can take of raisins. We can eat these nuts as these dry fruits as raw. But to eat other vegetables, meat or fish, we cook them. So children, but to eat others vegetables, meat or fish, we cook them. We need to fire to cook. It means that अगर हम लोग को fish खाना होगा या meat खाना होगा, और you can take off the pulses, so we need these type of things to cook, and for cooking we need the fire. So children, today we will learn about how the discovery of fire changed the lives of early human. Let us start. Discovery of fire. We don't know exactly how early humans started to use fire. It means that हम लोग exactly ये नहीं जानते कि जो early human थे उन लोग fire को कैसे use किए, started to use fire, और कब किए. They might have seen some burning leaves and branches in the forest due to forest fire. It means that उन लोगों ने कभी देखा होगा जो हम लोग के मतलब लीव्स वगैरह बर्न हो रहे होंगे, और जो हम लोग की फॉरेस्ट के ब्रांचेस है वो सब मतलब जल गए होंगे बिकॉज ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट फायर. और दे माइट हैव डिस्कवर्ड फायर व्हेन दे रब्ड two stones together while making tools. It means that, or maybe the early human have discovered the fire. How the early human have discovered the fire? By rubbing of the two stones. तो उन लोगों ने दो stones को ले करके आपस में रगड़ करके they have discovered the fire. Now children, let us study here that how the discovery of fire has changed the life of early human, and how the early human used these fire in their life. The discovery of fire is considered to be an important event in the history, as it brought a big change in the life of early humans. So children, because of the discovery of fire, it has been considered an important event in the history, because of the discovery of fire the lives of the early human was changed. After they discovered fire, they were able to eat cooked meat which was easier to digest and tasted better. It means that जब discovery of fire हो गया, जब fire discovered कर लिया early human ने, तो वो raw food जो कच्चे food होते थे उनको नहीं खाते थे, and they started to cook the meat which was easier to digest and tasted better. और वो मतलब जो खाते थे पके हुए खाने को वो properly digest भी हो जाते थे, and it tasted better, और उसके जो taste भी अच्छे रहते थे as compared to the raw food. They could use fire to protect themselves against attack by the wild animal. So, and the early humans, they also use fire to protect themselves from the wild animals. उन लोग आग को जला देते थे, और उसके थ्रू जो वाइल्ड एनिमल्स होते थे उन लोग अपने आप को उससे प्रोटेक्ट कर लेते थे. They could also use fire to keep themselves warm and see things better at night. It also means that if there is a harsh climatic condition in the forest where they live, they also use the fire so that the area may be warm and they may see the things better at night. और रात को देखने में भी वो फायर काम आता था. Can you think of different ways in which fire is used in our household today? Okay, children. So at your home, please think of that why, in which condition today we are using the fire at our home. Okay. So hope so you have understood this paragraph, that the discovery of fire. So children, today we have studied about how was fire helpful to early humans. What do you think they could do after discovering fire that they couldn't do earlier? How do you think they discovered fire? Okay, so hope so you have got the answer of these questions. Now children, how do we use fire in the same way as early human did? It means that कि जैसे early human fire को use करते हैं, in the same way how the modern human use the fire. So listen here. We use fire to cook even today, though some people use electric stove. It means that जैसे early human fire use करते हैं खाना बनाने के लिए, in the same way some of the people now use the fire in the modern time also, and some people they use the electric stoves. Some people still light a fire to keep themselves warm, and it also means that जैसे ठंडी में हम लोग आग जलाते हैं, in the same way early human also did. We also light candles or oil lamps if it is dark and we have no electricity. It means that हम लोग जो लैम्प होता है और जो कैंडल्स होते हैं उसको भी जलाते हैं अगर हम लोग के घर में अंधेरा रहती है और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं रहती है. सो वी हैव गॉट द सिमिलैरिटीज़ बिटवीन द यूजेस ऑफ फायर एज वी यूज़ एंड द अर्ली ह्यूमन यूज़. So children, let's see in short way that how the discovery of fire helps the early humans. Listen properly. First point, early human could eat cooked food. This was the first point. Second point was early human could keep themselves warm. They could scare away wild animals. They could see things in the dark. So these were the 2 points. Sorry, these were the 4 points which made the lives of an early human easier as the fire was discovered by themselves by rubbing of the 2 instruments. So thank you children. Hope so you have understood this chapter very clearly, and if there is any doubt you can ask. Stay at your home and be safe. Thank you.